is NOIPolls Cultural Day.
It's a wonderful day today, a day that we are going to showcase our full cultural exhibition as Nigerians, as our different cultural groups.
I'm not dressed yet because my clothes is still coming with the fashion designer.
As you can see, I am dressed as a Yoruba woman with my gele and my Iran buba, as well as the bead as well, and this. And we look forward to it being fun, look forward to it being wonderful and eating different food. I wish everybody a beautiful and wonderful cultural day.
I represent the South Akwa Ibom states. You can feel me, I feel in Gawa. Huh? My cap, my dress, my wrapper, because we are about to dance. We will dance, we will flip it, we will shake it, we will move it. You understand? So there's more to see. It's a wonderful day today. You're going to have fun. It's going to have fun. It's going to be a fun part. Huh? Nigeria to the world. South to the world. Niger Delta to the world.
It's going to be very fantastic period today. We're going to show our diversity in ethnic groups, our cultural display. Importantly, the amala and the gbegiri and the wedu and the abula. You need to be there. You need to be there live and direct. Peace out. See you when I'm dressed.